guy forget it. Ako guy forget an if. A sacred oath. Do you remember if you picked up some safety from waiting to me so I wouldn't get a headache? Look, you're safely. Yes.
Nakamali ka ng napuntahan, pero ikaw ay natauhan. Pumaling ka lang sa tamang daan.
Hey Cal, welcome to another episode of Celebrity Chatter. Today's segment is Empower Hour, wherein we talk about how women experience inequality during Spaniards era. Chad, can you guess which celebrities are we gonna put on a hot seat? Have you ever heard of the controversy starring Rose Gonzalez and Darren Canales? I heard they're a couple before and got together with producers. It's indeed a love story from a lovely couple. Let us all welcome Rose Gonzalez as Maria Clara and Darren Canteles as Crisostomo Ibarra from the movie Love on the Balcony. Wow, I can feel now the love in the air. Bernie Chan and Rose Gonzalez.
And Darren Canteles, your guest for today's episode.
Before we start, how do you feel about the success that your new movie are having? From the trailer up to yesterday release, it ranked #1 in all platforms, including my YouTube and Twitter.
Yes, wow, we also can't believe it. We want to express our gratitude to all our fans, friends, families out there who keep supporting on our new movie.
Fans, we gathered questions from your fans for them to uncover deeper perspective. But before that, here's few questions to get to know the characters more. For the both of you, what is your experience in portraying the characters in the story?
It's such an honor to be part of the cast of The Love on the Balcony, knowing that it is a part of the history written by Dr. Jose Rizal. Also, it was a great experience that we got to portray a very prominent person in the history.
About the other focuses on the lives of the Filipinos people on love including the gender roles and societal expectations.
Great. Now let's start with our first question from user Dari Rose Forever. Here's the first question. I was a fan of you since then, and I'm so happy that this movie brought you back together. So here's the question. Do you think Maria Clara and Ibarra has a strong connection to love?
Probably yes. I think Maria Clara and Ibarra have a strong connection considering that Ibarra has traveled the various countries and still chose Maria Clara.
On the other hand, Maria Clara is known as a beautiful woman with pure and beautiful personality. On the top of that, her father is with a power in the society.
Next, we have a question from user BTSCookie_1997. So here's the question. What can you say about the life of Ibarra compared to Maria Clara? Is it the same or is there a huge difference?
A huge gap between a privilege of a man and a woman that time. The inequality is prominent that time by showing Ibarra's advantage to study, travel across the world and do whatever he wants while Maria Clara is obligated to go to the convent and be a nun.
Great. Now let's have user Roses_1. What about Maria Clara and Aunt Isabel? What can we say about their characters, considering that they are women? How does the society expect them to behave?
Said, women that time expected to be a nun, stay at the convent and is limited to do what they want. And they are expected to be modest, demure, and religious.
For the last question, from user Blackpink2_3, here's the question. What can you say about the treatment of the society to women in this era?
We can say that women in their time is treated unfairly and unequally. They are treated as their husband's belongings, treated unequally in terms of education and is limited to contribute in the society.
Thank you for answering the questions that will help the viewers to look forward to your review. Also, congratulations on the success of your